Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Add a Google account section. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will have to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to go through this whole operation with me. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. In this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Right here we've got the information about Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info, so basically you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data, automatically store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And as you can see, we've got another backup section. So here you've got, you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got the backup details. So you can always check what has already been backed up. And at the very bottom, we've got advanced settings. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you will not be charged for backing up the data using your mobile data. Alright, so to finish everything, we have to tap on Backup Now, and of course confirm it. And basically from now on, your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.